Okay, we are going to make my version of a pecan sandy. So I have some spelt flour mixed with a little bit of kamut flour and some salt in here. I have a mixture of vanilla flavor and almond flavor. I have some earth balance and some organic sugar. That's it. How could I forget about the main star of the show? Pecans. All right, let's get started. Okay, so we have our butter and our sugar already in the food processor, and we're just going to blend that up until it is nice and creamy. Now we're going to add our vanilla and our almond extract and give it another blend. Now we're going to add our flour and our salt mixture and then give that another blend. But we're not going to blend it try to blend it all the way. We just want to get it incorporated. I will say that the type of flour that you use really matters. So I'm using a mixture of spelt and kamut, and or you can use all spelt flour, and the amount of butter you add will be okay. Here I just added the pecans, and you're just gonna blend them up. Just give them a nice pulse, but you don't want them to crumble up. And that's looking pretty good right there. I think this would be a nice recipe for biscotti. The almond pecan flavor. So I'm just taking my scooper and scooping some of the dough. Okay, so I'm just going to show you really quick how I just take the bottom of a flat cup or something. You may, if it sticks, you may need to put like saran wrap on there. But basically what I do, let's see, which one can you see? Basically what I do is just press down a little bit and twist. Press down, twist. Okay, not that deep. Then we're going to stick them in the oven. 350 for me, it's going to be about 20 minutes. You looking like you want me to just tell you the truth. The cookies will firm up. I would say cool down, but I always like my cookies warm. Do you? My husband doesn't. He thinks it's some kind of sand or something. He eat cookies when they're warm. But anyway, I prefer to eat them warm, especially chocolate chips. Ooh, these are hot. Let's just have another taste. Just a little piece, okay? Because I'm not really supposed to be eating it. If you used to like pecan sandies, this is my version of pecan sandy, and I hope you try it. If you do, let me know. Please like, share, subscribe, all that other stuff. Thank you for watching. Stay rainy.